Hey, I'm Chris with Affordable Medical Mobility Solutions. This is the Carbon by Pride, and there's a few accessories that just came out, and I'm going to show you two of the accessories. So first is the headrest. This is a headrest that can be a little bit of adjustment with this out and also up and down. In order to put the headrest on, you actually have to cut a little bit of this foam out. So you're going to want to measure this out, and you're going to cut out some of this foam because this will not attach unless you remove some of this foam. Second is the new little mesh cup holder that has just came out. So finding a cup holder for this unit is kind of difficult. This is an easy install. You're just going to want to remove this little protected cover. You're going to put this in here. It's adjustable in and out, and then you'll take this and you'll tighten it up to where you want it. So that's very easy to do, and that's your new cup holder. We'll stick something in there and see how big of a bottle that can be in there. So we're going to show you how to install the headrest now. So after we got this installed, it looks really good. Just make sure you do your measurements, cut it correctly, because this is going to cover up and it looks like it was supposed to be there. Now this can go, this is going to have to, see how this goes out? You obviously don't want it that way, or you don't want it this way. So it goes just like this. And then you can actually move this up and down and tighten it up. So we'll just hit it right there for now. This right here can also go right on to your headrest. Now this can be adjusted in and out a little bit, and then you tighten it up. And you can loosen this down or loosen it up. So if you need a headrest for the Jazzy Carbon, this is, now they have it. You might be able to put this on the Golden Cricket. We got to do a couple little things. Actually add padding to the Golden Cricket. You can also use this on the Golden Cricket and the Golden Carbon. So this is the Jazzy Carbon Power Wheelchair. If you need something that folds up, check out the Jazzy Carbon or check out the Golden Cricket. Here's another thing. You might be thinking, well, when I fold this down, what am I going to do with the headrest? Because it does add more length to it. Simple. Just loosen that up. If you want to take this off, loosen this up because you're traveling. Just loosen it up. All after you do this is all hand tightening. So check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com. Give us a call at 803-926-2224. All right, so what can fit in this new cup holder by Pride for the Carbon? Well, here's a metal bottle, pretty big, fits in there. Old style Coca-Cola can, fits in there. Put a koozie on it, it'll fit snugger. Solo cup, fits in there. Bottle of water, yeah, it's gonna fit in there. A big body armor, not gonna fit. A regular size Gatorade or bottle like this will fit. A big Yeti cup fits in there. All right, so here's the white Carbon. This can also just go right on there. And then here's your Golden Cricket. So again, you'll just remove this front, put that right on there, take this and tighten it up. And that's all you have to do.